welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a closer look at something really common, something you probably have, but maybe it causes a bit of unexpected frustration.
Oh, definitely.
I'm talking about the garden hose. Seriously. Have you ever found yourself wrestling with one? You know, it's leaky or tangled or the reel is just impossible.
Happens all the time. It's one of those little daily annoyances.
Exactly. So our mission today is to explore how really thoughtful design and some clever engineering can turn that whole experience around, make it smooth.
hmm
We're doing this based on a product test of the Gardena CleverRoll M-Hose trolley set. It was reviewed by Kieran Parmar in Free Car Mag.
And it's a great way, I think, to look at problem solving through design. It really shows how paying attention to the details, even on simple stuff like a hose trolley, can make a huge difference in your day.
Right.
It's not just about making it work, it's making it work well, intuitively, taking the friction out of a chore.
So let's dig into those common frustrations first. The review mentions them specifically things like a leaky, nicked, or twisted hose pipe with poor connectors.
Yeah, the classic problems.
Or a reel, which is difficult to wind or unwind. You know that feeling, right? You just want to do a quick job, water the garden, wash the car.
And suddenly you're in a fight with your equipment.
Yeah.
It's maddening, even if it seems small.
It totally interrupts the flow, adds stress you just don't need.
And, well, this is where the Gardena CleverRoll M comes in. The review basically presents it as the answer, the thing that makes those problems a thing of the past.
Okay.
And straight away, they mention it's award-winning and proudly made in Germany. That immediately signals, quality, precision.
That definitely catches your attention. Made in Germany often means good engineering. So what are the specs? What do you actually get?
Well, the core is a 20-meter hose. That's about, 65 feet. Good length for most gardens, I'd say.
Yeah, pretty standard, versatile length.
And it's a 13-millimeter diameter hose, the classic size, so it should work fine with other bits you might have. But the review points out it has frost protection technology.
Oh, that's actually really useful, especially if you live somewhere that gets cold winters.
Exactly. No more worrying about it cracking in the frost. And then there's the warranty, a 5-year warranty upon registration.
5 years. Wow. That's a lot for a hose reel. They must be pretty confident in it.
It really suggests durability, doesn't it? And speaking of confidence in design, it won the Red Dot Design Award back in 2018.
Red Dot. Okay, I've heard of that. That's a big deal in the design world, right?
It is. It dates back to 1955, and it's become, one of the world's largest and most distinguished design competitions.
Yeah.
Winning isn't just about looks.
Right. It's about function, too.
Exactly. It means the design is smart, user-friendly, effective. For something like a hose trolley, it suggests they really thought about how people use it, the problems they face.
And design solutions for those problems.
Precisely. It's like design as problem solving, not just aesthetics, making the user experience better.
Okay, so let's talk about some of those clever design bits. The review mentions space-saving storage with excellent portability. Hoses can be such a pain to store neatly.
Yeah, they just sprawl everywhere usually.
And it also highlights convenient access to the spray nozzle with its own little storage bracket. That's actually pretty neat. No more losing the nozzle.
Small thing, big difference.
And the crank handle sounds good too. It's described as having soft plastic components, which makes it easy to rewind the hose. Less effort.
And it folds away.
Oh yeah, the handle also folds away neatly, so it gets even more compact. Little details, but they add up.
But here's what I think is the real aha moment in the design. Something really clever.
Go on.
It's the internal connector, where the hose joins the reel inside. It's set at an angle.
An angle. Why?
Well, think about winding a hose tightly. That connection point often gets crushed or kinked, right? That's where leaks start.
Yeah. That makes sense.
So this angle prevents the hose from becoming crushed or nicked when rewinding. It's a simple idea, but brilliant. It directly tackles a common failure point.
So it makes the hose itself last longer.
Exactly. It's designing for longevity, protecting your investment, basically. It shows how engineering can anticipate and solve those nagging issues.
That is clever. It's those hidden details. And another thing that sounds great is that it comes pre-assembled with the original system parts.
So ready to go, pretty much.
Yeah, the review says the system is completely ready for use. All you need is a functioning garden tap. It even lists everything included. The nozzle, water stop connector, hose connectors, tap connectors, and adapter.
So no hidden extras needed. That's refreshing.
Definitely. You buy it, you hook it up, you use it.
And it's not just ready to use, it's designed for moving around easily, too. The ergonomics seem well thought out.
How so?
Well, the trolley push handle is height adjustable. That makes it comfortable to push, regardless of how tall you are or where you're taking it, patio, garden, whatever.
Okay, that's a nice touch for usability.
And then there's this other smart feature, the kickstand at the bottom.
A kickstand.
Yeah, it automatically swings inside when you tilt the push handle to move the cart, so it just gets out of your way.
Oh, neat.
And when you want it to stay put, maybe on a bit of a slope, you just simply kick the stand outwards with your foot. It holds the trolley stable.
Okay, that's actually really practical, especially if your garden isn't perfectly flat.
Right. It raises that question, how does good design adapt? Adapt to different people, different environments, making it stable and easy everywhere, not just in ideal conditions.
That's a great point, designing for the real world. And what about leaks? Always a big one with hoses.
Well, they seem to have tackled that too. It has 2 aqua stop points where you can store the connectors.
Aqua stop, what does that do?
It basically means when you disconnect something or store the connector there, it stops the water flow automatically, so no drips.
Ah, so when you're moving the trolley.
Exactly. It prevents water leaking when transporting the trolley. No more soggy trail behind you when you move it from the front yard to the back.
That is genuinely useful.
And the review points out a really specific benefit for some users. It says, this would be particularly handy for mobile detailers who don't want a puddle of water in their van after each job.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. That's thinking about different types of users.
It really shows how deep the design thinking goes, solving problems not just for homeowners, but potentially for professionals too. Very specific needs being met.
And the quality seems to extend to the accessories, too. The included spray nozzle is described as well-made and had a nice rubber grip.
Good feel in the hand, durable.
And adjustable, too. You can easily adjust from a wide spray pattern to a fine pattern by twisting the grip. So it's versatile for different jobs, gentle watering or power cleaning.
And even the connectors, the review notes, have a solid and satisfying feel when you click them into place.
That click, you know it's secure.
Yeah, it's that tactile feedback that signals quality. It builds confidence. And while we've focused on the M or medium size with the 20-meter hose.
There are other options.
Yeah, they mentioned it's also available in L or large size, which comes with a much longer 50-meter hose. So they cater to bigger gardens too. Adaptability again.
So it sounds like the Free Car Mag team was pretty positive overall.
Very positive. They were really impressed with this well-made product.
It seems clear Gardena really paid close attention to several fine points. All those little details we talked about that just eliminate frustration.
To that thoughtful design and engineering, yeah.
It turns watering the garden or washing the car from a potential battle into, well, just doing the job smoothly.
And that 5-year warranty just reinforces it. It gives you that peace of mind and assurance that you are purchasing a quality product built to last.
Definitely.
This whole deep dive into just a hose trolley, it really makes you think how much frustration in our daily lives could actually be eased just by better designed everyday things.
That's true.
So here's a thought for you, listening. What other simple tools or objects that you use all the time could really benefit from this kind of deep dive into design? How would really thoughtful engineering change your experience with them?
It's a great question. Makes you appreciate good design when you find it, even in simple things.
Absolutely. It's not just for high-tech gadgets. It makes everyday life better.
So next time you use an everyday tool, maybe take a second look at its design. Notice the smart bits, or maybe the annoying bits. And if you are interested in Gardena's products, the review mentioned, you can check out their complete range of hose trolleys and reels online. That's it for this deep dive.